All right, so the skanky warranty, after phone calls, estimates, part numbers, customer calling, sending out an inspector. We just got the message now at 10:30 on Wednesday. This vehicle's been here since Friday of last week. They denied the whole entire claim. And the customer didn't do anything wrong.
What?
You believe that?
They denied the claim.
They cover differentials. They declined everything.
That's crazy.
Skanky warranties. Let alone that, wasting my time and the customer's time.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how you been?
Good. There you have it. Customer did nothing wrong. Shop did nothing wrong. They denied the claim. So now the customer's on the hook for $3,200.
That's fucking crazy.
Yep. Why? You can go up front. Thank you. Yeah, and the adjuster who came out, he said it's pretty cut and dry. Like,
yeah.
You can see that the gear set is chipped away.
They said we're denying the claim with no prior authorizations to do the work. To shit their fucking hole.
So now you tell them to sue them and get their money back. Take them to court.
I took off the cleaning the axle tube seals. I'm not charging that.
I get it.
I brought down its diff service from $250 to $150 because we had to have it removed to do the job for the labor that the transportation entails anyway. And then it's 3.7 hours labor to do that.
Oh yeah, tell them I would take them to court because we did videos before the job. We did video after the job. The warranty states that they cover it.
Yeah.
Customer gave us prior authorization to do the work. Diagnose it, repair it, and if the warranty company doesn't pay, which is shitty, yeah. And the warranty company should have called the customer and told them that.
Or said they won't cover them because of the work was done prior to authorization,
Which is bullshit.
which is bullshit.
Because we documented it video.
Because we also documented videos
Before and after.
and multiple pictures, and we showed them the parts that are all messed up. Anthony's saying sue.
Yep, take them to
Pay
court.
their money.
Make their life miserable.
Make their life miserable. Or maybe it's
That's the way it goes. I watched Royal Auto do the same thing with a warranty company, and he said the same shit. No, you're not tying up my bays. No, you're not inconveniencing the customers. I documented the whole process, repair and afterwards. There's no reason for you to deny the claim for a BMW evaporator core for a covered part. And I just watched that from Royal Auto not that long ago. He said, same thing I'm saying. If you committed a crime and there was video, you're done. If you committed a crime and there was no video of that, they can't prove it. So here you go, the insurance company just screwing you over, saying, oh, well, you know, Mr. Customer, you don't have pictures, you don't have video. I get that. But you have video before the job and video after the job. The customer shouldn't have to wait 6 days for the warranty company to get their shit together to come out here and inconvenience you for a covered repair. That's the way it goes. Now the customer's got to deal with more bullshit.